I still remember my first day in the UK in university. The professor entered the room, I stood up. Good morning, sir. All my colleagues were laughing at me. I realized here they called their professor by the first name. John, هذا صديقك يعني, he's your friend or something, you call him Sir, Mr, last name, Professor. Some respect. No, John, how's it going? Sheikh, I can't do this. We like our classes and systems and respect and sitting and standing. But what amazed me when I heard the first time that the Prophet ﷺ entered the room and his companions stood up and he told them, don't stand up. Sit back down. He said, this is what the Romans and the Persians do. This is not what we do. When I enter the room, do not stand up. And if you want people to stand up for your entrance, you have a problem. Why, you think you're special? You're not special. Let them stay seated. You go down to them. This is how the Prophet ﷺ would be in his humility. He would go down to people.